What is going on, you guys? It is Zaki here. So today's brand new video, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to download CuteCut Pro on iOS. So let's get into it. So first, you wanna go in the link in the description below and install Appvalley. Just install. Tap on install, and you should see it's installing now. You should see. Wait a few minutes. It's depending on your internet connection. It's now done, guys. You just want to tap on it. So now you want to go to library. Want to go to apps browse and go to paid and other apps and search CuteCut Pro. There you should see there. Tap on it and tap on get so you can get it, so you can download it. Just tap on install and you should see should be downloading. Now it's now done installing, so you just want to tap on it, and now you can edit videos on your iOS on iOS. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe if you're new to join the crew. And remember, guys, peace out.